Right. I need to piss so bad. I really need to go to the bathroom. I like really gotta go. Help me, bladder. Bladder, please. Please, you gotta give me something, my bladder. My bladder boy. Boop. It's 5 a.m. I don't care. I don't care that it's 5 a.m. You're gonna go, you're gonna come up and you're gonna clock into the Onwa stream, baby. Hi, Ariel. Hello. How you doing, buddy? It's time. It's time for a stream, an Onwa stream. A stream for the Onwa. I really need to go. This is my 9 to 5. It is. It is, bro. Where's your Wawa? Where it be? Oh. Yeah. Yeah. It's time. I can't wait for the ads. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Like, I'm running to the bathroom immediately as the ads hit. I really gotta go. I gotta go so bad. Usually I have time to. I did not have time to. There was someone in the bathroom when I woke up. I really hope they're not in the bathroom when the ads hit. It's gonna go terribly if they are. How are you, though? How are you? Yeah, I was like, maybe. I wasn't supposed to stream yesterday, so I didn't feel too bad about it. But I did feel something. I did feel like, damn, I wish I could have been there. I found your TikTok. Oh, right, I do have a TikTok. I don't use it at all. I don't use it at all, but I know that, like, I'll probably have to in the future. So I got it in case. Your first follow. Thank you, man. Thank you. Finally. Finally, the people will respect me now that follow or I unfollow. I don't even have TikTok on my phone. Like, I don't care for TikTok, like, at all. Oh my god, the ads! I'm going to the bathroom. I'm going to the bathroom right now. I'm back. All right. I brushed my teeth. I took a piss. Not in that order. Ah, I'm living it big. Let me tell you, I slept the worst sleep. Well, not the worst sleep in the world. I did not have a good good sleep last night. So, uh, we're slowly regaining. Brush your teeth with piss. I mean, a man's gotta do what a man's gotta do, Ariel. You know what I'm saying? Now, unlike last time, I do actually have a plan for stream today. Well, I mean, like a plan in quotation marks, parentheses, brackets, squiggly brackets, example colon. But I do have a plan. The thing is that I see that Himmy's live. Plan one, stream plan two, wing it. That's usually how it goes. Usually I have like a rough idea of what I want to do, and then I just wing it. That's usually how it goes. Which is not the best, right? Like entertainment should have some more planning into it. Like there should be a bit of like an ABC, you know? You know what I mean? But I think the good thing about winging it is that the better you get at winging it, it just like the better overall, just it's because it just becomes better. And I'm not talking well right now. Ugh. Bruh. Dude, dude, Raven keeps. So how about that? Dude, I don't even have TikTok downloaded on my phone, bro. I don't even have it downloaded. Chicken wing. You see, I have cap, bro. I don't. I don't have it downloaded. Stop the cap. I don't use TikTok. I actually don't even use my phone really for social medias or even YouTube anymore. I have an app. I downloaded an app because I wanted to lower the amount I use those things on my phone. So what it does is the app is called Screens, and what it does is whenever I click on something on an app, like a specific app that I decided. So in this case, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. Are there any ones? Those are the ones I really have. Yeah, if ever I click on those, it makes me wait 20 seconds before I open the app. Like if I click on the app, it says, is this important? And then it has unlocks in 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. And then after the 20 seconds, I press unlock. And then I could go on the app. And I can only do it 3 times a day. And let me tell you, as soon as I downloaded that app, I think maybe in a month I would open the app like twice. Nowadays, I don't. It's been like a year since I had that app. I don't have that at all. I don't use my phone for apps for those apps anymore. The only thing I use my phone for nowadays are just like taking notes, taking pictures, and anything else. I guess occasionally opening Twitch. I kept I kept it for Twitch because for Twitch I could at least like look at what other streamers are doing. And it's like longer form content, so it's not frying my brain as much. Although I don't really watch many streams anyway. Sometimes I might, but if I watch streams, it's for like a couple minutes at a time. I just download TikTok. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fine. How about follow me on Twitch? Nah. Nah, I'm good. Got him. You know what I did see though? You know something funny that I did see? I saw that Himi was live right now. What if I just send him a knock? What if I just send Himi a knock? That could be pretty funny. You know? On what do I give femboy vibes? Uh no. Femboy vibes would be I honestly there's a big overlap. Classic knock. The thing is that there's a overlap between like furry communication and femboy communication. It's not a huge overlap, but it's sizable. So it's a bit hard to differentiate. I was watching a friend who's a girl, she thought it was a femboy. I mean, there's some fair arguments to be made. But let me tell you, as a person who goes online, I'd say there's leeway in the communication. You know, there's enough leeway. I'd say some forms of communication that you have sometimes lean towards femboy. Most others don't, which is why I would say you don't give off femboy vibes. Not a solid no. Yeah, not going to be a solid no, but it's not even like a solid maybe, you know what I mean? Like you're closer to no than to a yes. And I think it's by a big margin. I want to knock so bad. I think it'd be so funny. I think it would be so funny if I did a knock. I'm I'm gonna colon 3 at him. I sent the knock. He don't even know. He don't even know it hit him. Sir, the knock just hit the second stream. Hold on. Let's. Oh, the ads are playing on his stream. I can't even see if he's gonna see the knock. This is so sad. Oh. He might be a bit like too. He might be a bit too invested in his game. Hold up. Twitch.tv/HimiVT. Let's see. Let's see what's happening in there. Of course, I should have known. The ads got me. No one tell him. No one tell him. I do actually have a plan for something I want to do today. Although it could probably be more like a background thing, so no one's really gonna care. I don't think. All right, let's go on the start from game development. Yeah, there's this there's this thing called SAMMI where SAMMI allows you to like connect to your OBS and to your stream and to like a bunch of stuff. It lets you like do a bunch of things, right? And I wanted to bring some stuff from StreamerBot to SAMMI and then also like maybe try making some stuff. I wanted to try making some cool, funny things. Himmy noticed. Himmy just noticed that I sent him the thing. He noticed. Hee.
Let me open his stream, see what he's doing.
Hold up. No one tell him. No one tell him. And, yeah, so remember taxes. Yeah, taxes, guys. So taxes are pretty cool and stuff. And no, we don't gotta talk about Himmy. I never brought up Himmy. Why are you talking about Himmy? I don't get it. We're just talking about SAMMI and talking about how we're gonna use SAMMI today. Guys, stop. Hi, Koi. Hi, Koi. Hello.
He's talking about taxes. Why isn't it capturing?
Hello. Yeah, taxes. Taxes and taxes, fellas. Why Himmy's
capturing.
Who is SAMMI? Okay, hold up. Let me
You lost your chance. You weren't capturing. Sorry, buddy.
What?
Love you.
He hates me.
Sorry.
Who is SAMMI? Hold up.
I couldn't work it out. I'm gonna keep playing Pokemon and go to bed.
Okay. SAMMI's OnwaVT, bro.
If you stay live for like an hour more, I'll probably raid into you when I need to go.
Okay. We're gonna get raided by Himmy later. That's fine. Hi, Koi. How are you, darling? So this is SAMMI. So what SAMMI does, right, is it allows you to make buttons and make certain integrations with your stream, like OBS and Twitch. Koi, my wife. How are you, Koi? I'm trying to like see if I could show you guys some cool stuff. Like, okay, this is whatever. Yeah, this person made an interactive Pokemon game where Pokemon will just like appear and you could try and catch them. Connect 4 with viewers. Interactive chess. Smart lights control, so people could control the lights of this guy's stream with channel point redeems. Full Spotify player. Now, I have something that's close to this. I have StreamerBot. StreamerBot has its own commands and stuff, so I have this is how I have clips, and I have the clip and the Discord. The OO pyramid. How are you, Koi? You okay? You okay over there? It's also how I have the AC. You know how you guys could use the redeems to put an AC, or you could put the Batman mask on me. It's also, of course, the Tumblr section. Right, hold on. It probably won't be perfect. I'm trying. I'm trying. It's hard. It's hard to get the perfect thing for it. But it's also how I do clips. It's how I know when ads are happening. It's how the Wawas spawn, even. So the Wawas spawn, the channel point redeems goes through StreamerBot and then sends it to Unity. and that's how I do different things. So my idea is we spawn because we are your child. The idea is we're gonna try and just take all the stuff I have for streamer butt and we're gonna put it on Sammy. And Sammy's like a more powerful tool, it seems. So we're gonna try and do the stuff on Sammy, and then maybe we're gonna see what else we could do with Sammy, and maybe add some extra little things. I feel that could be cool. Be nice. That's the plan for today. Oh 07 Streambot. That's what I'm saying. But of course the first thing first is classic waiting an hour and yapping. I've been coming up with stream ideas. Yesterday I worked on a bit of a stream idea for a bit. I still have to do a lot of work on it. It's gonna be it's gonna be a lot of work and it's gonna require a lot of people. And it's gonna be for like one stream, which sucks. Which really sucks. But that's okay. Because it's gonna be fun. Stream idea, compliment Koi for 5 hours. Sure thing, Koi. Anything for you, darling. I still have the kazoo idea written down, Koi. If you marry Koi live, okay. And then you're gonna be like rejected. You didn't even have. You were missing one flower. You brought me a bouquet, but you're missing one flower during the marriage proposal. Rejected. That's what's gonna happen. Nar. Stream idea. I turn a penny into a car. Hold up, cooking. That would get Rizm tripping. Dude, it's Koi. It's Koi. Don't you know? Yeah, we were in an arranged marriage. Yeah, exactly. Didn't you know? Yeah. It was Raven. Raven keeps adding me on Twitter recently. He keeps adding me on Twitter. It's annoying. Yeah. There you go. Come on, man. Keep up. Keep up with the Onwa lore, buddy. Come on. You should know these things. I haven't been on Twitter since January. Fair enough. I'm pretty sure it was them. Alright. Writing down the ideas. Hold up. I write down like all the ideas because I want to get there, you know. On Wiki. I need to check the Onwa Wiki. I mean, there are VTuber wikis, you know. You can make a VTuber wiki for Onwa. Connect for Hangman. Custom point chatbot. Slot machine. Battleship. Quote. Puzzle game. Lucky wheel. It's peak. Yeah, I do think that Sammy is more powerful from the looks of it. So it's why I want to transfer my stuff over. On Lores, he fell as a child and decided to be a VTuber. I didn't fall, but I was dropped once by my grandmother. And I think it was like not even just like, oh, I fell, but I think it was also like I fell and it hit like a metal handle and then I hit the ground. So classic. Classic. I don't think I'm allowed to make my own wiki though. And also I don't think you guys know enough about me to make a wiki. Hold on. Let's go on VTuber wiki. Alright. Virtual YouTuber wiki. This wiki contains information about VTubers and virtual groups. This includes any virtual character that uploads on a regular basis, talking and acting on a certain topic, or playing games as a fictional character or as an idol. Displayed on illustration, keys and I. Yeah, let's get an eye. True, true, true. Alright, I can talk normally now. Are we on there? No, we're not on there. We're not cool enough. If I search up Onwa ain't there. Sag. If I search up Koi, Vito, Kitsune, no results found. If I put a space, there's Kitsunes, but not us. We're not there. Whoops. It's very sad indeed. I know. What? Who the hell are you? Who the hell are you, man? Damn, they don't even have any Canadians in here. This place sucks. This place stinks. I'm so mad. I'm so mad right now. There's a lot of VTubers though. There's a lot of VTubers in here. Yeah, we gotta get better. We're not cool enough yet. We're not cool enough for someone to put us on virtual YouTuber wiki. So sad. Is OnwaVT on here? Timmy, are you on here? No, but he may is. What about No True? No True, are you on here? Nope. Who else? Who else might be in here? Let's see. Tokai, are you in here? Damn. Actually, you know what? This could make for a good stream. This could make for a good stream right here. Making my virtual wiki. Check for Tippy Hendrix. Oh, Tippy Hendrix for sure, right? Tippy Hendrix has to. Yeah, Tippy Hendrix. Of course. Of course, Tippy Hendrix. Of course. Gotta. Gotta, man. All right, I'm writing it down. New stream idea: make the virtual YouTuber wiki. That's not gonna happen anytime soon. If I do, but it could be funny because then that means if I make it, then I have complete reign over my stream. Next stream we make the wiki. We'll see. I did. I'll see. I'm pretty sure I had ideas. I think, maybe make your virtual YouTuber wiki entry. Perfect. It's probably because I have to start like posting on YouTube and stuff. You know, I'm not a virtual YouTuber yet. I'm just virtual. I'm just virtual right now. Fresh VTubers. Hold up. I don't get this. Translate to English, please. Thank you. Aha. New individuals. Aha. This is Japanese. I don't know Japanese. It's over for me. But I could just like make a meme page. I'm thinking of becoming an IRL streamer. Hell yeah, buddy. Do the thing. Try it out. See if you have fun. That's what it's all about. What it's all about. I should. I forgot to close down the knock feature. End collaboration. Himmy doesn't want to stream with me. He's mean. He's mean. He hates me. He doesn't want to stream with me. This is so sad. I think the scariest thing for me is whenever I have my mouse some like a lot of the time will double click, like it'll stick and do a double click whenever I press with it. The scariest thing for me is whenever I click show more on Twitch, like when I have like all the people I'm following and I click show more, I'm scared that it will double click on the knock feature and then make me knock them. And that person's like, who the fuck is this? Show more? Like feet? No, 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 no. Wrong, wrong. No, 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 no. You sure? Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure. For $5,000 million. You can take him back. I don't judge. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. You should be off then. I'm good. Yeah. I'm man. I'm telling you, I'm good. I'm good, man. Man, me good, man. Man, good. Me good. Me good, man. Man, good. Me good, man. Man, good. Corey's so mad that she left. This is so sad. I said I love the food trucks. My bad. It's all good. It's all good. There's no problem, man. Yeah. I also have to update the Discord server. I was gonna turn it into a community server so that I could have you guys apply your own roles. Give it some extra functionality, you know. I thought of doing a stream of setting that up. Then also you guys could like in the moment be like, nah, that's a shit idea. Yeah, that's a good idea. Hey, what if you turn into the stream, the whole Discord into a thingy? Can I get funny Discord tags? You mean like the tags that like appear on your like next to your name? Like 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 give me a second. Do you have one? No, you don't have one. You mean like like the ones that appear next to your name, right? Like one of one. I think they're called roles. Oh, roles. I mean, I'll be making Discord roles for people for the things. I mean, maybe for certain things. We'll see. I'm still thinking on stuff, you know. You know, you gotta let me think on stuff. Stuff that I'm thinking on, you gotta let me do that. I'm not sure if I want to have just community events as a role or if I should separate it out. Like, I think for now I'll just have community events, and that includes D&D. You know, but after that, I'm not sure. Sniff up, brother, brother. Come on. So I'm like still waking up. Deep as in there. I'm like still. I'm slowly getting there. Slowly. The brain cells are very tired. Of your attention, yes, it's what we needed. It's what we needed. Pay attention! Wakey, wakey! You awake yet? What about now? What about now? You awake? Is this waking you up? I think I wake. I think I wake. No, my thing. Okay. Muy. No idea what I was gonna say before, but that's fine. It doesn't matter. We don't gotta know. Yes, I think D&D will be November 1st and 2nd. I think. I really wanted to. I do have to do something November 1st, but that should be in like morning, afternoon kind of stuff, and that will be at night. So as long as I'm good with the stuff, it should be fine. You know, that is fine. It should be good, and we shouldn't have to worry, and it should all be good and fine and all right. You know, so it's fine, and it's good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah, you get it. You know? Fine. I don't know what to tell you. It's just how it has to be. It's just how it has to be, buddy. Okay? I'm sorry. So when COD Zombies? I don't know. Maybe I'll hang out in the Discord VC and play zombies. Ow. That was a loud crack. I don't know if you guys even heard that, but in my ear that was loud. My jaw just cracked. Old. Old. Point and laugh. Old. Old. No. Stepping a crack, break your mother's back. What? Not my mom's. Not my mom's. I can't stop her back. No. Can't do this to me. You can't do this to me. Ow. Man, I hate these burps. Oh my god, hit me. Hit me now. Hey, bitch, all swearing in my Christian Twitch stream. Banned. Ban the Himmy. Get him out of here. Hi, Himmy. Hello. Hello, Raiders. Hello, gamers. Fucking ban him. Get him out of here. Sorry, yeah, you better be. Oh, thank you, thank you. Finally, Himmy. Jeez. Alright, guys, make sure to follow Himmy. And then also ban him. Make sure he stays banned, but also follow him. What is this new introduction thing? I don't get it. Do you guys see this, or is it just me? Whenever there's like a raid or something, there's always this new introduction, but it's blank every time. Did Twitch add a new feature that I don't know about? I don't get it. I see it. Yeah, what is it? I guess it's to introduce myself, but like, I was never told about this being a feature. Anyway, so hello, Raiders. I'm OnwaVT. I do things. I try and avoid playing games. Usually, I'll try and add a challenge, or I'll try and do a funny. I'm a very funny guy. You gotta believe me. Please believe me. Please. Make sure to spawn your Wawa. That's the little fellas flying around. Spawn your Wawas. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. You gotta spawn your Wawas. Now that you're here, it's contractually obligation. It's a contractual obligation. All right. Here's the gun. If you have to go perform a heist for the channel points to do it, you know you gotta do what you gotta do. But you gotta spawn your Wawas. I don't care how you do it. I don't care how you get it done. But you gotta do it. He's not that funny. He's very funny. One of the funniest dudes. Yippee! Today, it is a boring stream. A challenge, bro thinks he's Ludwig. Ludwig doesn't do fucking challenges, okay? Ludwig does not do challenges, okay? He says he does a challenge, and then, like, 2 minutes into the challenge, he starts giving himself leeway. Bro does not do challenges. Listen, I'm not. Listen, his content is very funny. It's very enjoyable, but he does not do challenges. Anyway, today is a pretty boring stream. There's this thing called SAMMI, which allows you to make cool stuff, do cool integrations with OBS and Twitch, right? And I have the thing called StreamerBot, which does something similar, which is how I do my redeems, which like turn on like images on stream and stuff, and also how I do clips, and also how I spawn the Wawas. So I want to transfer the stuff over and then maybe try some new stuff. And if chat has ideas, we could try doing them. For example, they have some pretty big examples here, but people have done interactive Pokemon game, connect four with viewers, interactive chess, smart lights controls, a full Spotify player. Someone call Ludwig and get him in here. Sorry, it's just how it has to be. Listen, I didn't want to call him out, but someone had to. Someone has to get him off his pedestal, alright? Listen, he's a funny guy. Alright? He's a good streamer. Better streamer than me, obviously. We control your lights is really cool. Yeah, it's basically just like anything. You could have it just control stuff. You could send out signals and such. I can start downloading it right now. I will hide my screen for a second, just in case something pops up. Dump a bucket of water on your head. That could be a good one. It's a good stream right there. A good stream redeem right there. I just always have a bucket above my head of water, and then whenever someone redeems, it'll just drop it on me. Peak idea. If you guys know Shindigs, if you guys have seen any of Shindig's streams, then Shindigs is someone who uses, like, basically for all his streams, he uses SAMMI. So if you know what he does on his streams, then you know what SAMMI is capable of. 12 channel points, that's the whole stream. Yeah, because it'll fall on my computer too and fucking fry it. And then I'll probably get fried too, because the watch is gonna like do a conduit to me. So then I'm dead in real life. It's peak. It's peak, bro. Hold on. Okay. Bro gets the vision. Basically, at $1 million should be your title, but when you reach 1 million, you raise it up. True. The thing is pissing me off. What thing? What is pissing you off, brother? What is happening? What is happening over there? All right, here's SAMMI. Here is SAMMI. I gotta connect it to my Twitch. I probably should close these things. The thing, the brother. What are you saying right now? What is this? Okay, I gotta hide my screen again. It told me so. SAMMI told me so. On my will smite. What are you fucking talking about, brother? What is happening? What thing is happening on stream? I don't understand you. Use your words, buddy. You have more than 3 letters in the English alphabet. What do you want? Start understanding. What? What are you saying to me? What are you saying to me? I don't understand. What's pissing you off? Oh, the thing that turns the into the. Oh. 7TV emote. Hee hee. Failed to connect, wrong password. Buddy, I gave you the right password. I gave you the right password. Why are you lying? Sorry. What's wrong with it, Hemi? I mean, I don't get the issue. Buddy, what is wrong? Do you need someone to talk to? Hot anyway. I don't know how you thought that was hot, but you know, you do you. All right. So Sammy is here now. I have it connected to stuff. So we have a this is how it works, all right? Sammy's got a thing called decks, okay? Now in the decks you can have different buttons, okay? You picking this up right now? You understanding? Also Discord. Now I guess yeah, first thing we'll do is we'll add the Discord command. So you just double click to add a button. I can change the amount of buttons per screen. So I can make this like a 5x5 if I wanted. Right? Then I could also edit the settings. No, that's not what I wanted. I want edit appearance. There you go. Now I can make this have the label Discord. I can give it a color. Any colors y'all want for Discord? What's a good Discord color? What's a good Discord kitten color? I have no clue. Trigger. White. Make it piss blue. Not blue. Hold up. Alright, hold on. What the fuck is piss blue, brother? What is this piss blue? Is this a piss blue? Piss color. You said blue! Alright. So hold on. Too green. I'm tired. Shut up. Yeah, better. Better. Alright. Here you go. Here's your piss cord. Here's your piss cord, buddy. So here's the commands, right? What we want is I'm just first let me read what these things do. This is my first time using this, so I'm explaining it as I don't know what I'm doing. All right. So as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff here. There's even a search bar. So we have OBS commands, Twitch commands. We got integrations. We got a bunch of stuff. So what we want this command to do is make a Twitch send chat message. The chat message, let me just go copy it, I guess. Do I have it on StreamerBot, right? This is where it runs. No, it isn't. Never mind. I'm stupid. Unless it's wait, is it in command? Ah, edit. Where is? I don't know how this works. I haven't used this in so long. Oh, is this only for YouTube? Okay, hold on. It's on Stream Elements. Me stupid. Me stupid guy. Me stupid guy do stupid thing. Chatbot, chat commands. It's in my custom commands on Stream Elements. Teehee. On what's process so good. What did I do? Where's my process, brother? I don't know it. Yeah, so now we have this, one of the Discords of all time. We just have the invite. If I save this, we could test it out. I was just silly, gotta do silly tech stuff. We can also test it by running. Aha! So there you go. See, it worked. Amazing. How does he do it? How does he do it? Now there's no like line break, which sucks. I can't like add a line break, unlike the Stream Elements one. Uh, let's just okay that. Now let's edit, add a trigger. What we want is when someone like does a message, which I don't know. Again, I don't know how this works. This is my first time doing this. Watch streak, subscription, stream, prediction, poll, new follower, moderation, guest star, chat message. On a chat message, which says Discord, not case sensitive, allow empty wildcard. I don't know what the fuck that means. Hmm? But hold on, that's the Stream Elements one. I haven't added it. Save. Let me turn off this one. Okay, now try. Hopefully this will work first try. Because then I'm goated. I'm just so good. Alright, do another exclamation point Discord. Damn. Okay, it didn't work. I don't know how the message thing works. How the hell does this work? Hold on. Sammy, now this is where we have to actually Twitch chat message trigger. We gotta look stuff up. How does this work? Uh show me a trigger. Hello? Man, what the hell? Sammy make custom command. I'm gonna have to like go into I'm learning here. Give me a second. Give me a second, I'm learning. It's coming in, it's coming in. Oh, I'm trying to beat the delay. Yeah, I get that. I haven't changed anything though, because we're trying to learn here. I'm getting the stuff. Is this a trigger? Uh-huh. Hey, mom. Show me the thing. Show me the thing. Um, does this guy really not show how to do it? This is so sad. Please. Wait. Okay, wait. So let me delete this. Is this it should be this, and I just changed this. This is why I don't understand. Okay, maybe it's just not connected properly. No, it was checking the Discord. It should work. Huh. Oh, maybe I have to save this entire thing. Deck has been saved. There you go. Okay, that was the problem. The deck itself wasn't saved. Of course. Of course. I should have known. Okay, so now we have the Discord button. I guess I could copy over my socials. But the thing is that the socials I can't do the thing with. I could on copy button, paste button, edit appearance. Let's change this one to socials. Edit commands. I have this, right? But the problem with this one. Oh wait, this one also the trigger's still Discord. Hold on. Save. The problem with this one. Oh wait, ads, of course. The ads. I should have known the ads would be here. Should have known the ads would be here. They're coming for me. The ads are coming for me, I'm telling you. Carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. This one will be lurk. I want to make this one like a gray. Triggers. It'll be for lurk command. The command will do that. Maybe I'm gonna go Starbucks. I'm started driving. I ain't crashing because I'm watching a stream. Unless feet. Hold up, gamers. If I show my feet, I could get Ariel into a car crash. I should call up a lawyer to check if I would be liable for that. I think I would be liable for that, but that's neither here nor there. I think I would be liable. Sag. I'm an ad for a minute. It's okay. I'm just adding some classic ones that I know I would need. These are just commands. These are just classic commands. You know? I forgot I had this command. What the fuck? I forgot I had this command. Okay, I'm back. Welcome back. Alright, I added the lurk, the socials, and the YouTube. Why is Ariel licking your feet again? I don't know. He's there. Alright, sorry. The YouTube one, I made it YT. I guess I should just make it YouTube. Is there a way to... I want to know if there's like a way to just do both. If I do this, does it mean I need both or I need one? Let's see. Okay, hold on. Now, does it work for both or do I need one? Aha! Okay, perfect. Stop stop spamming. I should have a delay on it. I don't know how to do delays yet. Let me check something. Um No, it's okay. Okay, I think I can do it with wait for timeout, and now I just put like I don't know. What's a good like delay? What's a good delay amount? You think? What do you think would be a good delay amount between a command? Tell me now. Tell me immediately. Is there a delay, or will that time out the user if they do it at the amount of time? It'll just be a delay. It's just waiting for a timeout for. It's just a delay. Oh god, the Pepe attack. Like 10 seconds, maybe. I don't know. It's a good. I don't know. It's a good amount. 10 might be too long. This one I'll make 5 second delay. Although I should probably also keep it 10 seconds. Maybe half a minute. You know what? That's fair. That is fair. Half a minute, 30 seconds. So I just change this to. Okay, boop. 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 And then. Boop. That's what I do, but. Okay, this is what. This is a command that I forgot I had, but I like it, so I'm gonna put it in. This one is called pizza. Does anyone know the pizza command? Does anyone know what it does? Let me tell you. It just replies with pizza. That's all it does. That's all the pizza command does. I forgot I had that. I forgot I had that command. These are small fry though. You see, we're just adding in the stream elements custom commands right now, but you'll see we're gonna get somewhere big. I have to. I'm going to add the clip command, but I have to hide this for a second to add the clip command. I'll have to hide this. Message. I really hope it does not screw up anything when I add this command. Um, I don't know what a good color for clip is, so that's fine. Don't you worry about that. All right, we're back. I want pizza now. Hey, brother, it's like 1 a.m. for you, or 12. I don't know. What'd you send in my stream in my on moments? Velociraptor? What the hell? I feel like I had a stroke reading that. Velociraptonwa. Alright, sure. It's 12. I hate daylight savings. Man, I hate daylight savings. Go. Hopefully that does something there. So now we need the raid messages. Where should I put them? I can put them here. Velociraptor. Copy the button. Paste the button. Edit appearance. Raid 1. What's a good raid color? What's a good raid color? I don't know. Is this only for me? No, it's for everyone. Everyone can type it. Okay, raid. Edit command. Save. And then copy. Paste. Raid this. Raid 2. Trigger. Raid 2. Edit command. And you know what it's gonna say? It's gonna say raid 2. Oh no, the hearts. Hold on. I have to do this. I have to do this. Hold on. Save, okay. Save. And then turn off raid 2 and raid. There you go. Turn those off. Light green, like a pastel green. Like that, you think? I don't know, it's a pastel green. I'm not cool enough. I'm not cool enough to know. Okay, now I'm gonna move these up here. I'm gonna change this to a 4x4. Save that. And now change the name of this to custom commands. So now this is my custom commands deck. All right. All my commands are in there. But I could have as many of these decks as I want. So I could just make another one to do other stuff in. And plus, I think I could also click them to activate them. I think. I don't fully know how that works. But I'm pretty sure I can. I don't remember how to. Edit deck, move deck, paste deck, duplicate. Deck app, maybe? Open the SAMMI panel. Okay. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about the 12 Angry Men. That has nothing to do with this. Okay. That was that. I could turn off grids. I could just have buttons. I could just have buttons that I just put anywhere. That's great. That's cool. Okay, now. Sorry, I'm back. Welcome back. What happened? Uh, I said how this is this is the custom commands, right? You can actually turn these into panels that you could press on, like as buttons. And I said I could make extra decks. So right now, this is my custom commands deck. So now this works, and this is all the custom commands, and you guys could just do them. But I could have another deck, and this one will be other stuff. And also, I learned that I don't even need to have a grid. I could just put the buttons anywhere. That's pretty cool. Make them big. That's pretty cool. I like that. And also, you can have they could be like an application of buttons for you to press on. I already said that, but it's the same with these. Variable viewer. Active button. Active button. Cool. That is really cool. I wonder. Yeah, I don't know how to like turn them into a button. It's probably deck app. But there's a bunch of stuff people have added, like TTS and such. I want to try now adding. I did stream elements for the most part. Now I want to do the streamer bot. Okay, so clip I did, Discord I did. There is the grid one, but we'll do that one later. Let's start simple. Let's do the AC. So AC is a. Let's create the button. Let's add a trigger. The trigger is a channel point redemption. Load from Twitch API. I'm just press this a few times. So what we want is the AC. Turn on AC. This is also a great thing about SAMMI. There's a search. There's a search function. Okay, turn on AC. User could be anyone. User input required. Nope. Case sensitive. Nope. Username. Whatever. All right. So turn on AC. Let me. That's not what I wanted to do. Add appearance. Turn on AC. Let's get a cool color. A cool little color here. Turn on AC. Now what this will do is it will go to OBS. And what exactly do I have written down? Whoops, that is the wrong thing. I'm sorry for your eyes. Source visibility state, right. Source change visibility. So I don't remember where this is. I think this is the scene name is Onwa. I have it on the Onwa scene. And AC, we want to make it visible. Then we want to add a delay. How long was the delay? 300,000. Okay, perfect. So then 300,000. Wait, not a timeout. That's not what I want. Is there something else for this? It is like a delay. I want to add a delay. Oh, right. No. I don't need. Okay. What I need is copy, paste, turn it invisible, but then this one, boom, 500 cigarettes. And then also wait for timeout. Whoops. See, this is what I mean. It added two of them. Timeout of a second. So now what this will do, right? I don't even know if you guys can like properly see. I can't even zoom in. What this will do though is it will turn on the source name AC, and then after a certain amount of time, what does this do? I'll make it better. I'll make it better. It's not perfect. After a certain amount of time, it will turn it off, and then it'll have a little delay. All right, perfect. So now, if anyone, yeah, there you go. Although I don't know if that's the streamer bot or if that's because this one's still enabled. AC is now disabled on there. Is there a way for me? How do I give you back your points? Is there a way to give you back your points? Why can I report the reward redemption? Brother, I made it. Let's hope it's the new one. Yeah, let's hope it's the new one. Anyway, that's gonna be there for a bit. Yeah, but I don't know how to refund. How do you refund? How do you refund? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Show mod icons? Nope. Wait. Nope. How do I refund? Do I have to go in the mod view? How do I get to get into the mod view? Do I have to go on to the regular stream? I do, don't I? To the OnwaVT stream. Where's the mod view? Mod view. Mute myself. I don't want to hear that. All right, there's no. That's great. Whoop. No, my Discord. Okay, where is it? It's here. Okay, spawn Wawa. Yep. Spawn Wawa. Spawn Wawa. Tumblr sexy man. Viewer retention. Spawn Wawa. How? Turn on AC. Reject and refund. All right, perfect. I got that shit. All right, you got your money back. Ariel. Ariel, I'm not refunding you. What I could do though is I could go to the OnwaVT scene. Don't worry about this. I'll just turn it off. Don't worry about that. Scammed? What do you mean scam? All right, fine. You know what? Here you go. You get your money back. Okay, now you guys could try redeeming it again. If it turns on now, it should be because of the new stuff, the new deck. Oh, we're showing a lot of skin. Brother, did we see the same thing? Oh, is the delay gonna stop you from doing it? Because of the timeout on it? It's also possible I just screwed something up. But okay, it didn't work. I don't think it worked. Yeah, it didn't work. Maybe if I turn off the timeout. Turn off the timeout. Check the triggers. It's turn on a. Yeah, this is fine. Hmm. It did take your points. Nah. Nuh-uh. No, it didn't. Nuh-uh. Okay. Remove that. Try now. I mean, I could try too. I don't know why I'm telling you guys to try. I could try it myself. There you go. Okay, it worked. Perfect. Perfect. Turn on AC works. Alright, let's try again with Batman. So for Batman, it's simple. Just copy, paste. We're gonna do Batman. And he is the knight. So he's gonna have that. Edit the trigger to be Bahal Nasi Batman. No! Ariel's fucking dead. This is so sad. Whoops. Batman. Batman. Oh, wait, why is it number 2? Oh, you just give me Batman. Batman. Save, okay, save. And then I gotta do that. I can't hear the redeems. Maybe it's because you're bad. Hold on, let me go check. Let me go check why that's happening. Where did I put it? I forgot. Where did I put this? Probably an alert. There it is. Okay. Properties. Nope, not properties. It needs to be. Um. Hello. Why aren't they showing up? They're right here. We heard them. They're not showing up in my advanced audio properties. Like, look, they're not showing up. They're not showing up there. I only have Tangia and TTS. I don't have anything else. Even though Blurp is here, and I heard Blurp. I was hearing Blurp. Hold on, what have I? What the fuck? Like, it's literally there. You guys literally heard it. Well, you guys didn't hear it, but I literally heard it. I've been hearing it. They're in the volume mixer. They have the setting buttons next to them. They're not in the mixer. That's what I'm saying. They're not in the mixer. They're not showing up. Okay. Well, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to delete it and add it again, I guess. When in doubt, turn on and off again. What do you mean add existing? I fucking deleted it. It shouldn't exist. Where else does this exist? Huh? This doesn't make sense anymore. Where is it? I should have deleted it. It should be only here. Man, I'm not fucking this shit up today. In the properties of the actual source. Is control audio via OBS on? Like you're saying go into the properties of it? Is that supposed to be on? I don't remember that being a thing before. Okay, hold on. I added that. And now it should work. Hopefully. Now that should work. That'll show up in the next chart? Yep. Wrong thing. Okay, now it should work. Funny text. Okay, that's the how. Remember that. I want refund. I can't refund you. It's literally impossible for me to refund you. It doesn't show up in the reward request because Blurp takes it. Yeah, I already have enable monitor and output scammed. Yeah, well, not my fault. Not my fault. I don't take blame.
I'm dead.
Yeah, it does this too. I don't know why it does that. I mean, do you know why it does that? Why Blurp fucks up like that? It does that all the time for me. That's probably why I turned off the thing, because I think I probably found online someone saying turn that shit off. It sounds like that all the fucking time. I don't know why.
I missed the part.
It just Blurp is completely screwed up. It doesn't work properly. It doesn't work properly for me. Um, I have no idea. Sorry. Okay. Man. What did 7TV do, man? 7TV is just having a good time, okay? Okay, there's ads. that I could do funny text. There's the funny text. It's changing me. What do you mean it's changing you? It's changing your text? Is that what you're talking about? Okay, let me change the funny text. I forgot that I named it that. Okay. Properties. I noticed there was a thing. Where is it? Text transform? No. It's not here. Use custom text. That's what it is. Give me a second. Okay, that's good. And then I need 500. Perfect. Okay. And this into center. Awesome. Aha. Sorry, I'm performing jungle gymnastics. My personality is changing now. Good. Good. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have. I guess we're not gonna copy this button. We're just gonna create a new one. This one will happen on a channel redemption again. We're making a more complicated one this time. It's gonna be how user input required. My only thing is I don't know how to get the user input here from the trigger. How do I look? Is there, hold on. SAMMI, how to get user input from channel point redemption. Um, my left leg is asleep. It feels horrible. I am feeling terrible right now. This sucks. This sucks real bad. Oh, do I have to? Do I have to save it through here somehow? Hotkey repeat interval OBS trigger, session trigger, SAMMI voice. Okay. No, it's not that. How does this work? Variables? Set local variable? Dude, I have no idea how to do this. I need internet. Internet, save me. Internet, save me. Okay, I'm gonna get ready for bed now. They're being slay. I'll leave my PC on for Pickler. Thank you, Himmy. Have a good sleepy, Himmy. Thank you. Big kiss, big kiss. Good night. Good night. Fucking ads. Shitty ass ads. They're ruining everything for me. I need scene switch command. Pulling up the redeem scene. Pulling up the message. There you go. This is what I want. All right. Show me how to get the message. Show me. Okay, so what we're gonna do is save variable. Variable. Is it set local? Set local? Is that what it is? No. Where'd you get? I'm looking at stuff. Ah, okay, I get it. Trigger bowl data. All right, what we want is we want the message, and this will just be called message data, I guess, IDK. And then we're going to switch scene to the don't worry about the name. Don't worry about the name. That has nothing to do with this. Then we will change settings, change text. Change text. In M2, it'll be called. Is it called how? I don't remember what I called it. All I remember is that I did not want to come up with a name. It is how. Perfect. And we will call it message data. And then we will switch scene back to the main scene. I'm pretty sure I called it main. I did not call it main. I just called it scene. Perfect. But this will be after like that amount of time. Okay. This is Cyberpunk. I mean, we're just stealing this straight off of Shindigs. Straight off of Shindigs. Okay, and now we go here. Funny text is no longer enabled. Okay. Save this. Let's check it out. Let's try it. Let's try it. Where is the how? No! It didn't work. Okay. We're almost there. We're almost there, kind of. Maybe not at all. I was sure this is how you did it. I guess I was wrong. That's how you do it. It's like that. That's how you do it. There you go. Okay, let's try it again. Roar's on cooldown. What? How could this be? How could this be? It's so over. Well, anyway, that should work. That should work now. Grid test. This like requires code. I don't know if I could perform code on this. Is there like integrations? I can send messages in Discord. Any files, CSV files, buffer. No. YouTube commands. Switch commands. If I change visibility, can I do this on one of these? I can. Okay, perfect. Okay. So I probably can use SAMMI for the grid thing. I do want the ads. I want the ads thing back up. So we're going to edit trigger, ads, Twitch ad break, edit command. We're going to do an OBS source visibility. It will be on the scene. We're going to have ads in progress, turn visible, and then we're going to copy paste, turn it invisible after how long was it? 180,000. Okay. Save. Now this should just be the ads. It should literally just work. This should just work. From now on, whenever there's ads, it should just appear on the screen. Let's hope that works because I don't want to deal with that. Clip. I want to add something to the clip thing here, which is I draw my move. No, not the Buffett. No, no. It's over. It's over. OBS. I need to change something, which is huh. Okay, I guess I can't do that. That sucks. Alright. Well, is it at least still edible? I want the stream marker thing. I'll have to look into that. Stream marker. I'll have to look into that after the stream or something. Okay, so now what I want is I still want to do this. This is still a useful thing. I'm not sure if it should be in its own deck or not. I'll make it its own deck, and worst case scenario, I just get rid of it. So, create a button. The trigger will be on our first. Does this have this functionality? There's probably a way to get it. Twitch chat message. Case sensitive. Damn. There's like some things that I can't exactly do. There is a way, I'm sure. First word. SAMMI. Twitch chat. First message of by a user. Yeah, okay, I'll just have to. Why is it glitching? There you go. Okay. What I do is I get a chat message from someone, right? Save that. Edit commands. Now I want to trigger pull data. I want to pull the Twitch chat message. His channel, that's the name of the person, right? The channel name is just the channel's. Yeah. Okay, we got the channel name. I'm gonna call that channel name. Okay. I guess we're gonna have to. Is there a check for stuff? File management. Read text. I guess it's just read text. File read all. Type array. File name. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna get that later. Save variable as file. Channels. No, chatters. Chatters. Is there a comparison I could do? There's just like a way to do stuff. Over time, trigger pull data, event pull, open URL, HTTP request, get date, send UDP packet, deck change status, voice toggle status, deck app, wait for input, wait for multiple choice, play sound effect, no, keyboard simulate press, I don't know. I'll figure this out later. That's too complicated for me. Okay, what's another thing we can do? I can do the Wawa spawn. Alright, let's do the Wawa spawn. This one I kind of want to do in here, though. Okay. Create button. I don't know what's a good color for them, but Wawa spawn is this button. It will be triggered by a channel point redemption. Spawn Wawa. Save. Edit command. Now we just have to get, first things first is the trigger pull data. We want to get what information do I send, actually? That is a good thing to know. Let me hide this for a second in case I have information that you guys should not be seeing. Okay. That's fine. Okay. So what we're gonna do is channel point redemption, get the display name. Is that okay? I don't know. Okay, chatter name. Okay, and now we're gonna do a wrong thing. Utilities. Send UDP packet. IP port buffer name. Is the buffer name the packet that we're sending? I do not know. I do not know if that's what it is. Exclamation point furry, and it randomly gives a random furry percentage. You know what? That's kind of a peak idea. Hold on, let me disable this. There's a way to disable triggers, right? Disable a button. There should be a way to disable buttons, I'm pretty sure. Unless it's just disabling decks altogether, which kind of sucks if that's the case. There is one that I keep seeing on OBKDCat stream. Add button is diabolical. Well, it's not. It doesn't start ads. What this does is whenever ads happen, whenever an ad happens, it says that ads are in progress. It just checks when there's an ad happening. and just says on the stream, hey, ads are happening. Like, it'll just do, where is it? It'll just do, hold up. Let me check the properties of this thing. Wait a minute, is this just broken? Is that why this hasn't been working the entire time? It all makes sense now. It all makes sense now. The name is already in use. Brother, where? No, it isn't. It is not in use. There it is. Okay. There you go. Now it should work. All it does is it does this. When ads start happening, it just does this. That's all it does. Literally all it does. While ads are happening, ads in progress appears on the stream. That's it. Which might be annoying at some points, but we'll just get there. We'll get there when we get there, you know? Custom commands. That one is. Oh, I closed streamer bot. I'm stupid. I'm a little dumb. Okay. That's the battleship. I want to go to the action. Eventually I want to add this first words on stream end. Yep. Blip. I want to check for OBS Studios. Save replay buffer. Marker. Wawa spawn. Yeah, I guess now this is the time to just let's try and come up with some funny stuff. Let's come up with some funny stuff. So we could try the fur one. I'm probably not going to keep it, but this is a possibility. I have an idea for it. I would rather make that kind of stuff channel point redeems, but let's make chat message. Chat message, you do exclamation point furry, just like show you how to do it. Then you go to commands. Then you want to trigger pull data. Since it was a chat message, you get Twitch chat message, and you want to get the channel, and also you want to get the message itself, maybe? No. Okay, channel is good enough. Now we save this as, I don't know, just furry channel. IDK. Then we get let's look at the utilities. There should be a random. Let's go back. There should be a random somewhere. Yep, okay. Random. The minimum value allowed will be 0. The maximum value allowed will be 100. The variable name will be random stat. And now we just do Twitch send message. We just want to send a message. Send chat message. The chat message will be. Can I change the channel by just like? Okay, no, but I can have multiple. Okay. So now what we want is we do this. Wait, it's this. Random stat on. No, we'd go furry channel is random stat percent furry. And now if I save, furry command. So that's how you do it. So what happens is the trigger is a message which has this. Then the command just first gets the channel of that, saves it as a variable, gets a random number from 0 to 100, saves that, and then sends a message using those two things. That's it. There you go. That's your furry command. Ariel, feel free. Feel free, buddy. Come on. Come on, then. Don't be afraid. You were born a child of dragons. What can you possibly have to fear? Lots can be done, though. Lots and lots can be done, because you could have your own programs. It's not as easy as StreamerBot, where you just type it in. You just type the commands, the code and stuff inside of the thing. I don't think, at least. But you can basically do whatever you want. I'll have to figure out how to do these on stream, though. What else could I do? What other funny things can be done? Maybe an API call. Wait, can I try to do the how now? This is gonna work? It's still on cooldown. Damn, I made the cooldown way too long. Let me check the cooldown for this. I need to lower this a lot. Where's how? 20 minutes? Buddy, make it 5 minutes. Come on. It's a problem when it becomes a problem. Can I do it now? Aha! Teehee 2. There you go. Okay, it works better now. I should up the font size, though. But it works better. And no one could take that from me. Okay, I'm deleting that button. I don't want that button there. It's cool though, because I could just like press disable and then it'll just disable certain things. He's great. It sucks that I can't just disable a button. At least it doesn't look like I can. That's cool. SAMMI's pretty cool. I just have to think of how else I should use it. I don't have enough things in my brain hole right now. Not enough things in my brain hole. Hey, okay, it works. Ads in progress. Yippee! Yippee! Ads in progress. I know, because now I got the thing that says ads in progress. Aha. Too cool. Too cool, 5 school. Ban a word, brother. You don't even know if I'm cheating or not. You're not even there. You're not even there, man. You can't even know if I'm cheating right now. Man, you don't even know. No more. No more. I'll have to look at what other people do with Sammy to like get inspiration. Like especially Shindigs. That guy is like that's his whole career right there. I just don't know. He did infections with chat. He did a lot of cool stuff. He made like getting pregnant a thing. I know something I wanted was Wawas in 2D with TTS, which should be possible. Although I don't know if it's for free, if it'd be for free, but it'd be cool. It'd be pretty cool. But he does a lot. Shindex does a lot. He's a very interesting individual. This is like everything I wanted to do. Well, I guess not because I don't have everything finished. I wanted everything finished. It's like basically everything I wanted to do. Now I'm like, damn. What can I do? What can I really do now? I really want Sammy to do the other things that it doesn't do right now. How do I do a buffer? Why would I want to make a buffer? Save replay buffer. That's what I want. Save replay buffer. Welcome back from the ads. The run? What the fuck is the run? Sammy voice. Who's Sammy voice? Ah. Okay. Close that. I don't want to worry about that. That ain't me. What would be a cool button? What else was? What is else? You got gamepad hotkey, repeat interval, OBS trigger, extension trigger, semi trigger, semi voice, Twitch ad break, announcement, automatic reward redemption, bits, event, channel information updated, charity, custom event sub, chat message, guest star, hype train, moderation, new follower, poll, power ups, prediction, raid, shout out, stream, subscription, watch streak, whisper. Okay. I do want to try making the first shatter kind of deal. Oh no, file management was its own thing. File management, read all, as an array. The file name I could write later. Save variable as shatters. What I want is to compare. Is there a way to compare with an array? Sammy check if in array. Is there a way to do that? Find value. Is that a thing? Array find value. Yes. Perfect. Sammy array find value. Array pull, array remove, array find value. Returns -1 if not found. Perfect. So what we want is we want to use the chatters. Trigger pull data too. Trigger pull data will get the Twitch chat message channel. Move that up here. This is the new chatter. Save array position as what? The fuck does that mean? Sorry for my language. What does that mean? Name of the variable to find the first instance of a given value inside the array and returns its index. Name of the array to search through. Chatters. Name of the variable to save the index position of the input. What? Huh? I don't get the save array position as. I don't get what this is. Find value new chatter. Oh, is this? No. Wait. Yes? I guess it's where. Hold on. Location. My assumption is that the number will go into location. Okay, now I want to find. I guess if statement. I want to compare. Inserts are not allowed in the yellow boxes. Yellow boxes are value boxes. You can type. Okay. I'm assuming location is this, and then a number. I want it to be not -1. Did that one get caught? Is that one banned? I assume he's banned. Okay. So now we check if it's -1. I have no clue what that does. Okay, now I could have something in here. If it's not -1, that means we found the location of it. Which means I want to file, write text. I hope it doesn't delete. Yeah, pen text, good. The file name will be the same. And then the text will be new chatter. Oh wait, no, this is if it's -1. Sorry. Perfect. So now this probably sucks. This is probably shit code and should not work. Well, it should work, but it shouldn't be good. What this does is when someone types a message, we check is that a new we save the variable of the channel, so the person who typed. Then we look through the file of chatters. If the chatters if the person who typed is inside of that file, then they're not a new chatter. If they're not, then they are a new chatter, which means we type them into the file. There you go. I just have to get the file name. Chattersthisstream.txt, of course.
I'm dead.
Ah! Hi. Hello. I will save this. I will disable it. There you go. Hi, Foo. Hello. The thing's broken as hell, I know. New chatters. This stream. Is it possible to just do that? Alright, perfect. New chatters this stream. Save. We're trying to learn how SAMMI works, Foo. We're learning here. Did I close StreamerBot again? I keep closing it. Actions. First chat. Okay, we got that. Get that out of here. We need to have a reset. And that's true. We need to have a reset. So what the reset does is very simple. The trigger will be the stream ending. I want an OBS trigger. Update type. What the fuck? What is this? Stream state chain? How? Okay, how do I make it stream end? I want to make it the stream end. I have no clue how to do that. Delete this. Stream. Not the Twitch stream. I want like the actual OBS stream to end. Stream stop. There it is. Okay. Stream stop. Then what I want is a command where the file, we write to it. We don't append. We're just going to keep it empty. We're going to write that in there. And now, there you go. It's done. That's it. Empty chatter file. There you go. Easy. And now that is this one done. Ugh. We can also have things that just like keep happening throughout the stream. The world is quite literally our oyster. Except for the stream markers, apparently. Except for adding stream markers or OBS Studio Save Reply buffers. Which was not, those words were not in the Bible. I feel gross saying them out loud. We could do the grid. I want to actually try bringing the grid over. I don't know. Do any of you know what the grid is? I don't think any of you here know what the grid is. The grid. For now, we're just going to have a... I guess a channel point redemption would make more sense. It'd be easier. Channel point redemption. Okay. Now what I need to do, though, is I need to go to... I need to go make it. Because it wasn't originally one. But it's just going to be easier because I don't fully understand how to do this stuff. Add new custom reward. Grid. Require viewer to enter text. Cost. I'll make it 1,000. Just to test stuff out, you know? What the grid does, user input required, is first, obviously, I gotta pull the data. Let me do that first. Channel point redemption, message, grid point. It just goes toggle visibility on the grid system. I think it was grid system, right? Let me check. Apparently I have grid squares and grid system. I don't know what the difference is. Let me do grid squares. The source name is going to be simply Grid point. That's all it is. So now, what happens if I turn on grid squares? It might be a bit hard to see. But actually, let me change the color of this just so you guys could see it better. Does that help at all? Not at all. Okay, great. On the top of the screen on the left side, you'll see some numbers and some letters. Well, quote unquote, you'll see. You don't really see it. It's very hard to see. With the grid channel point, I should be able to do this. I think. If I did it right. Possible I did not. Let me check something. That should be the name. It should be the name of this grid. Herm. Let me check something. Source IDs? No. Grid system? Okay, that's why. It's because of this. Okay. Grid system. Is it on you? Let me check. Yep, it is definitely on you. Alright, perfect. Now, hopefully this should work if I save this. Let's try again. Grid F3. Please. Please work. Okay, it didn't work. Man! Why aren't you working? Oh well. Well, anyway, I had the code for that event, like, originally, so it makes sense that it doesn't work. I will now turn off the grid. Where is it? Where the hell is the grid? Where is it? Where did I put it? There it is. Turn that off. Okay. Delete that button. Ugh, I don't really have much else right now for what I want to do. We brought over a lot of stuff. Some of the stuff is working with SAMMI instead. I don't know what the hell SAMMI Bridge is. Where's Bridge? No clue. Maybe we play. I've been playing Mega Bonk. We could play that for a bit before I hop off. Play a little bonking. A little bonkage, if you would. Oh, you know what else I have to do? I have to. Sumi. Hi. Hi, Sumi. Hello. Hello. Over there. I have to change my streamer bot to that. Hello. How are you? Get this. Change that to Sammy. Oh, right. I have to change it to this. Oopsie. Change that. Sammy. That's good. That should be good for her. I see a Hemi too. Yeah, Hemi sleeping. A little hunk sure. He was so tired. So tired. We were doing this. We were setting up stuff. So now we have a bunch of custom commands for the stream. We have the AC Batman ads. We have stuff now working on here instead of StreamerBot, which was this. It's just transferred over. You're probably at about 10. No, we're still going for an hour. But we're gonna do some Mega Bunk. We're gonna be chilling out with some Mega Bunk. And not because it's popular, just because. Okay, yeah. How are you? Actually, I'm not going. Okay, this, that, game audio, Mega Bunk. There you go. Play some Mega Bunk. So what you gotta know about this name? This game, right? Is it's like Vampire Survivors and Risk of Rain together into one. That's all you have to know. That's all you have to know about this game. So things will just spawn around and attack us. That's it. It's the most simple game idea you've ever heard. But you know what? Damn if it isn't a thing. It is definitely a game. I can tell you that much. It is definitely a game. There's not much to say. It's one of those games that like you like nothing much happens. You just have to like talk during. It's like more so a background thing, I guess. You kill things, you get XP. The XP gives you stuff. And then there's like way too much like activity going on when you pick something up. It's very spooky. Like look at that. We got a chest. I probably shouldn't have chosen this. The problem with these kinds of games with me is that my brain turns off immediately. And it makes it really hard to like talk. You know? It makes it hard to like talk about stuff. I don't know. I'll need to come up with more ideas for Sammy though, because there is a lot of potential there. I feel like it's my kind of jam, you know? It's my kind of jam in terms of like possibilities. Chest. Wow. It just keeps happening. Those were terrible options. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a very... Although I've only played in the beginner, like first tier of stuff. This game does seem very easy. It's not too hard. Until you, like, beat the boss, in which case they're here to kill you. They're gonna end your life, you know? And that's okay. They can end my life if they want. Moyai? Excuse me, sir. Why would I want this? I don't want more difficulty. Stop giving me the difficulty. I don't want it. What game is this? This is Mega Bonk. It's Vampire Survivors meets Risk of Rain. I'm dead. Because I was walking in the enemy. Not a good strat. You should know, guys. Pro tip. Not a good strat. To be in front of the enemy. The entire time. But did you know I'm actually top 615,000 in the world? So I'm pretty good. My favorite character is Mega Chad and Calcium. Mega Chad's cool because when you play, he has aura. That's his starting weapon. Which means that he just kills stuff by being near. That's how it works. It's goated. It's a great game. 10 out of 10. When I first played as Mega Chad, I was like aura purist. I didn't want any other weapons. It starts off as at a pretty small size, though. Look at that. Knockback is really good with an aura, because it'll mean every time they take damage, they get knocked back a bit, which is great. You want that. 5 shield is not a lot. There is also sliding in this game, which doesn't really come in handy that often. Break 150 pots. Oh my god, guys. Guys, I got the thing which break 150 pot. Oh my god. That's a lot of beasts. A lot of beasts. Son of a bitch, I'm in. I just saw that message. Give me the size, buddy. I want a bigger aura. I'm aura farming right now. That's what they say. Projectile speed. I don't know if projectile speed does anything in this case. Same with projectile count. I have no idea. My assumption would be no, it doesn't. But my assumption could be wrong. It could be very, very wrong. There's also like a map you can look at. There's some fog of war in here. La Roche. La Grande Roche. Does shield come back? Okay, it does. Okay, so shield has use. I need a bigger aura. My aura is small, dude. I have such a small aura. I have such a small aura. Chunkers. Yes, I didn't have this last time, but chunkers is like exactly what I need. My aura sucks right now. And a stone golem? How am I gonna do this? I need an aura farm right now! I need to start aura farming. Skelly boy, come back. I need you. I need to kill you. Stone Golem, let me aura farm you for a second. Oh shit. Alright, we're good. We got 3 whole free chests. This is amazing. Alright. Oh, 206. It's over for me. Swarm. Oh god. We can make it. I just need a bigger aura. I need a bigger aura. Oh shit. Give me the magnet. I'm aura farming like you've never seen. I got 4 rocks. 4 whole rocks. What are they gonna do, huh? I got 4 whole rocks. Idiot. Give me that shit. It's a very simple game. Very, very simple game. I got the 5 rocks, buddy. Just try. Just try and see what happens. I'm getting shit. I don't even know what my flex does. I forget. I think it makes me stronger, but I'm not sure if it's permanent or only for a bit. Look at the money! Look at the money! Look at the money I'm making! Bro, they're not ready. The sus bush is pretty strong. I honestly do not think I could take him. Where's my challenge? Oh shit! Hey, there it is. That was my challenge. Give me that chest. They were never ready for someone like me. Someone with my kind of aura. They were never ready for it. I'm telling you. Jesus, I'm getting things out of the wazoo. Aura farming for a bit. Oh Jesus. I need a bigger aura. Like, what is this? This is baby o'clock out here. This aura, it's like a 5th grader's aura. Need something more. Need something stronger. Not nearly enough. This is why I like Mega Chad. Like, you're not... Like, already in this game, you're not really doing much. But it just feels like you're doing so much less with him, and it's just so... It's so funny. I enjoy it. Chunkman the Terrible. Just try and get close, Chunkman the Terrible. You'll see it's not so easy. Oh, jeez. Come on then, Chunkman the Terrible. Just try it. They ain't ready for this. They weren't ready for my aura. Okay, let's go do what we actually have to do, which is go fight the boss. Oh, after I fight these guys, I guess. Alright, let's go fight the boss. I think he's up there. Oh, he's over here. Okay. I'll get this just for an extra little help me. Alright. Let's fight this boss. There he is. Get him, my aura! Oh shit. Fuck him up, aura! Kill him! It is not a difficult game. As you can see, it is not a super difficult game. More rocks! And he's dead. Easy. Enter the portal? What? This is the first time this has happened. Before, it used to just tell me survive. Okay, wait, so is it because of the timer? That's probably why it's because of the timer. Alright. The Deep Forest. Oh, or is it the tier? It might also be the tier. Oh my god, these guys have way more health. Rut-row. These guys have a lot more health. I don't like this. How much health do these skeletons have? This is kind of scary. Will I be able to take on the boss? Oh no! I just want my item! Oh my god! I need more damage. I don't do enough damage. Stone Golem? My ass is not winning against that Stone Golem. It is probably actually going to be over. Oh my god. Oh mon dieu. Big fuck off skeletons. Look at my health. I am nearing death. Swarm? Oh my god. They can't do this to me. They can't do this to me. No. No. Get me out of here. Ah! I gotta kite him. I gotta zombie strain him. Zombie strain. Please. Well, at least I got killed 15,000 ogres. It's so over for me. Give me the XP, please. Oh. Give me the aura. Give me the money. Please. Oh my god. He has so much health! He has so much health. Oh! Get me out of here! Get me out of here! I can't make this. Oh shit. I don't got that kind of money. I don't think I'll be able to beat the boss. Oh god, another swarm. Please! Cause looks like I'm gonna get a scoop of hi. 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 Guys, I'm number 580,000 in the world. I'm so good. Buy weapon axe. Kill 2,000 enemies using the sword. Man, I don't got that. Okay. Wait. Item. Well, thank you. Bye, wild banana. Hello. Hello, welcome. They got me. They got me. I'm hooked. I can't stop playing. I'm hooked. Yeah, I want to unlock the sniper and the axe. Then you get the sword and you get the precision tome. Okay, the other one I like is Calcium. The only reason I like Calcium is because he is fast. That's it. That's the only reason. All the other characters are slow as hell. This guy, look at him. He's rolling. He's speeding. And plus, he's got tricks. Look at that. Ooh. He's smooth with it. He's so smooth. How can you not love him? How can you not love him when he's so smooth with it? He's so smooth. Kill him. Kill them all. Look at that. Yeah. I don't know what this does. I literally have no clue. It might just make the boss harder, and that's it. I'm dodging and weaving because I'm just so quick. See this? Yeah! It's just, it's so good. How are you, banana? Hello. I'm in the middle of combat, so I'm sorry that I cannot type a hi to you too. No! Okay, now I can type a hi. Just for you, man. Just for you. I didn't go too hot. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was not my best performance. But now this one. Whew. Get ready for this one. Alright, with this, gain 5% luck. Get that. Apparently we just completed a quest, so epic. Alright. Get that XP. Kill him. Out the projectile count. Come up here. Do a kickflip. Projectile count, sure. Remember to break all the pots you can. Precision Tome might actually go pretty good here. I don't know. That mofo almost knocked me off. I'm about to scream and cry. Jump higher and further, or what? +1 projectile count for all weapons. I think you gotta go for the projectile. It's so good. I really hate the sword, I'm not gonna lie. I'll get the Precision Tomb just because it's a thing, you know? It's a thing there. Give me more XP gain. We take that any day. Any day. Moldy cheese for a chance to poison? Yes. Screw it. Lose 5 max HP for 20% damage increase? Screw it. Give it to me. Plus evasion. Give me a Precision Tome. Kickflip that. Precision Tome. We need that to go to level 10. You know what I'm gonna do here? I'm gonna kill all these guys. Precision Tome again. Give me that level up. Evasion Tome. Yeah, let's do the Evasion Tome. Alright. Okay, get some of that. Get this one. Huge. We need to level up our bones, you know, we need to get that. Our weapon is not that good right now, we need to level it up a bit. Okay. I'm gonna go over here. +1 projectile count, of course, gotta get that. Moyai. Clover, increase the luck. Attack speed. Keep in mind that this magnet's here. We're gonna have to come back for this magnet. Pickup range. I could get the sword. The sword was a thing. And plus I'm fast, so it could be good. Get the Moyai. Ice Cube! Legend! If I have... Okay, 323. Hold on. I need a kill for some gold right now. Where is this? He's down there. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go get that ice cube. That is crazy. 2 ice cubes back to back. Huge. Stone Golem's down here. But he's not ready for our swagger. Precision Tome. Need that. Take this magnet. Precision tome, we need that. Oop. Even if I don't win this, I want to at least get the precision tome. You know? But for that, we need to level up a lot. We're almost there. Precision tome. Alright. We got the sniper rifle. It's level 10. I don't know if we needed another one. I'm burping. Alright. Alright, I did the precision tome. That's the last time we do the precision tome. Now it's all about the aura. That's a lie. We're not getting the aura. But it's all about the aura real quick. Chest! I didn't see this. Oh no, ads are gonna start soon. Nah. And that's why I know. Is my speed already over? Damn. It must not pause when you're in a menu. Strange. And now, remember this magnet? It's finally come. It's time for the magnet. And ads. It's over. It's over. The ads have come. They've come for me. My life is forfeit. I'm telling you, my life is forfeit. It's time. Who is this? Sounds like coming for me. You see them? They're there. They're coming for me. I know they are. Oh, white note. Are the ads done? I'm left in limbo for the rest of time. Are the ads done yet? Are they 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 done yet? Alright, welcome back from the ads, gamers. Oh God. I'm rich. Free chest. Mega bonk, hell yeah. Hell yeah, funny clown. Hell yeah, funny clown. Calcium best man. It's either Mega Chad or it's Calcium. Those are the best characters. The monkey is my go. I don't really like the monkey, I'm not gonna lie. He's not the worst character, but for me, I think there's better. I honestly just like Calcium because he's so fast. I like his jumping. That's fair. I do like his jumping. That is one of the things that I like about him. I just like how fast Calcium is. Monkey is so slow? Exactly. That's why I'm not the biggest fan. Ooh. Free chest. Mega Chat is fun because with how little there is to do in this game, because it's a vampire masquerade like, it's like it gives me even less to do, which is just so funny. He's got aura. Yeah, that's what I mean. I like that. Big sword. My health is quite low. That is not fun. I do not like that. But what I enjoy about this game more than Vampire is just The movement, you know? Yeah. Well, it's because it's 3D, you know, there's more to be done there. Apart from like a top down. Vampire Masquerade is much simpler. I don't have any on-hit effects. I'll take it though. Oh wait, no, I do have a non-hit effect. You know you can slide in this game? Yeah, but you only slide when you're going down. There's no reason to slide when you're horizontal or going up, you know? It's only when you're going down slopes that it really does anything. Any other time you shouldn't really slide. I love how much speed. That's why I love Calcium, bro. That's why I love his ass. He's great. Oh, the sus bush. The first time I beat him wasn't that hard because I had like really good items. I had like a good run going. But oh my god, he's tough. He's tough, man. Normally, he's tough. But you just took exactly. I am the GOAT. I am quite literally the GOAT. So Chunkham the Terrible. Oh me, oh my, whatever shall I do? Curse of Ra. Curse of Ra on you, Chunkham. Curse of Ra. I was playing Mega Chad before, and I got to tier 2 forest. Jesus, man, it was horrible. I went from like being Giga Chad to Giga Brain Dead, bro. Nothing happened. I was dying out here. Now it's like everything is back to how it should be, you know? 100% crit chance, baby. Swarm incoming. Let them come. Yeah. You messed with the wrong fool. Come at me, Swarm! I now have over-crit chance. You fools! It's over for you. It's true. They hold no power against the bones. I'm too good. I'm too good, man. I should probably increase my evasion tome for when it gets bad. But I'm too greedy. I'm just too greedy, man. Give me the power. 14.7. Yeah. Precision tome again, you say? Oh, game, you're too kind. What is power? Increases the power of power-ups effect and duration. Yeah, okay. Make me stronger. Yes. 17.2% projectile speed. Oh, you're too kind, video game. Oh, video game, you're too kind to a man like me. The rich get richer, man. What can I say? Epic sword, please, please. Oh my god, it's huge. My sword is huge. And it's not innuendo. It's just actually a huge sword. I'm rich. Give me the crit chance. You know what? Give me the crit chance. I have not explored the middle of the map. Maybe I should. Maybe it's finally time. Ooh, free chest. Burger. Swarm incoming. Oh, please. Please, game, you're being too kind to me. Being too kind to a little fella like me. Ho ho ho. Another swarm, don't mind if I do. Oh, a free chest again! Oh, game. You really do know how to please a man. More attack speed, oh yes. Precision tome. I want to overcrit them. I want to overcrit them all. What's down here? It says something's down here. What's down here? Oh, shady guy. Backpack? Please, Stone Golem. Stone Golem, you think you stand a chance against me, buddy? With your 150,000 health. You're gonna have to get more than that. Oh, you're gonna have to get so much more than that. Oh my god. I'm shredding him. You know what? I will get the evasion tome. You know what, game? After so long, I think it's about time I do get the reflection tome. Oh, another one of these, of course, please. If you could be so kind, video game. Alright, let's go fight the boss before time runs out. Oh wait, there's a boss here. Alright, let's go quickly fight the boss before time runs out. That would be the worst way for this to end. He has a lot of health. I hope we'll be able to beat him in time. We should be fine, I think. This chest will be the... Yes. We might actually not have enough time. That sucks. That really sucks if we do not have enough time. Oh shit. Oh my god, we might just about make it. Oh my god, I'm so low health. I'm so low health. Ooh! Alright, let me get the hell out of here. I need to get the hell out of here. Wait, the portal doesn't open because I'm not tier 3. No! I'm just tier 2. Damn. Well, at least now I should unlock it, right? That was a good run. This was a good run right here. I wonder how long. Usually I survive like a minute and a half. I wonder if I'll because of the black ones, the black ghosts. I wonder if I will survive longer or if it is just gonna be the same. The black ghosts are so evil. Yeah. I wonder if I will survive. It'd be kind of crazy. Alright, they should start spawning. There they are. Give me the speed boost. I don't even have a double jump. Oh god. Oh! Sumi, no, don't kill me! I'm actually doing pretty well for myself here. I'm doing a lot of damage to them. They're gonna get me though. Well, it's because I have lifesteal. That's right, I have lifesteal. I forgot about lifesteal. Oh my god, the lifesteal is actually the thing that's keeping me alive. I'm dead. Almost 2 minutes. Oh, 3 seconds, 2 minutes. No. Tier 2 unlocked though. I'm number 421st. I'm so good. Guys, I'm 421st to 421,000. Complete for it. I could unlock you. You do not look nice to look at. I can unlock you, which means I can now unlock you. What is this weapon? Frostwalker. Does anything need Frostwalker? You need Frostwalker. Use a microwave to duplicate ice crystal 3 times in a row. Jesus. Chris have a 25% chance to heal you. The longer you stand still, the more damage you do. Max plus 100%. Ooh. I want to try the bush and Brabanet, but I want to try the bush. I need the axe. I need to kill more things with the sword. Well, good thing I got the sword for that one. The Thorn's Tomb. That's what you needed. Skip weapon slots. Give me the weapon slot. I can now have 3 weapons. Usually I end the stream around here. Try to keep going until the hour. I still have to apply to some places though. Random enemies are marked. Also gain fires, piercing bullets can manually aim. I can manually aim? What? A game where what? Impossible. What are you saying? What are you saying here? Hold up. Hold up. This ain't right. What do you mean I can manually... Oh my god, I can manually aim? Holy. Hold on. Peek. I can't shoot though. But I can manually aim. That's crazy. Ain't no way. Using the Machina. Ain't no way. I can manually aim. That's impossible. That's never been seen before. New strat. I don't know what the point of manually aiming is. But it could be done. I don't know why you would ever, when the aim is already so good in the regular game. But my god. Why would you want to manually aim it? Like the aim is already on point with with this. I don't get it. I guess it's for moments like this, where there might be other enemies, but you want to focus on the bosses that spawn. Easy. Okay, there's some niche applications where you might want it. I get it. I get it. I've been running on low health this entire time. I don't have any HP regen. Also, this is so high. It should be lower. This should be lower for sure. Hey, it's the sword again. I remember you. We love the sword in this house. I don't really like the sword, but I need the sword to get the one character. And you know what? The sword was really good for the last game as Calcium. Because of how high the projectile count was. And how fast. It was pretty good. Listen, I'll say it. I'll admit it. It was pretty good. Okay, I finally have some health regen. We're back in it. Is it 21.5 per minute? Like, what is it taking so long, man? Alright, let's do this. Sword! So far, I'm not a huge fan of the bush. But that's not to say that he's bad, it's just to say that I don't really care for him. I should have gotten the attack speed. See, the reason I'm not winning here is because I'm not getting the sword upgrades like a fool. Send the bush to mid tier. They slow as hell. For real. For real. They have some nice things. Overall, though, ain't good enough. I'm doing the cooldown tomb because I feel like if I right now I got the cooldown tome speeding my stuff up by like 50%. If I just keep getting that, eventually my attacks will just go. Will just keep going and never stop. That's the goal. That's the goal here. Just have my cooldown just keep going. Like, no cooldown, just continuous. The sniper rifle's good, though, for fighting bosses, because you could just have all of your attacks focused on the boss and not hitting any of the other enemies. Because that's one of the main things, is that the attacks will just go anywhere unless you're able to manually aim. That's the one benefit. Legendary! You can eat so much spaghetti with this bad boy. Also, crits have a chance to become mega crits. Hell yeah. I don't have a high crit chance, but this is the kind of character where you would want a high crit chance. Like, you could tell. You could tell the design is for crits. Right? It's a sniper. The snipers go for crits. That's just how it goes. I'm just gonna keep getting the cooldown tomb. That's the way to do it. Give me some lifesteal. Lifesteal's great. Lifesteal's real good. Swarm incoming. Are you fucking kidding me? Sorry for the language. Swarms mean nothing to the sniper who has piercing shots. Like, you could try to make me care, but I will not. I will not care. Give me the XP. It really does not want me to keep upping the cooldown tomb. You could tell. It keeps giving me some high stuff on the other ones. Ooh, rage. Cooldown tomb. Stone Golem. Let me show you how you do a Stone Golem. Let me show you how it gets done. Die. Look how fast the sword goes. Is that a red one? I've never seen a red XP thing. Nice. To the boss. Very slowly making it to the boss. Hopefully I'll get there in time. But with how fucking slow this is, I don't think I will. It's gonna take me a whole minute to get here. Alright, there you go. I can make it! Ah! So close. I don't like the character too much. He's not a bad character, but he's not my preferred playstyle. Like, definitely not. Why would you want to skip level up offers? I don't get it. What's the point? Ugh. Okay. Gamers, I'm sorry. I gotta do it to them. And by I mean you. Excuse me. We are going to be rating. Who are we rating? We are rating Pause. We're rating artist Pause. Pause is cool. Nice little chillaxer. They do cool, cool art. Go see them. Go tell them they're cool and epic. And that they have nice hair and they have nice art and that you like their glasses and that they should do a backflip and just go tell them that stuff. All right? Okay? All right. Thank you guys for coming. I know this wasn't like a super interesting stream for those who were there for the SAMMI stuff. But I don't care. You guys have to be there and you have to enjoy it. That's how it has to be. Okay. Go. Go right now. Go. Goodbye. Bye.